What's going on, everybody? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. Like many of you, I like to keep a clean garage. I mean, who wants to sit there and go through a bunch of garbage in order to find something they actually need, right? Well, unfortunately, I've let my garage go since the fall. In this video, I'm going to clean my garage. I don't know if anyone's going to like anything about it, but you know what? I like to subscribe to auto detailing channels because I find watching other people wash cars, like deep cleaning cars, I actually find that sort of enjoyable. Same thing watching other people cut grass and everything, I find that enjoyable. So maybe someone will find watching me clean the garage an enjoyable experience. But first, I'm going to warn you, you may want to get a barf bucket together because I don't know what we're going to find. But I challenge you. Do you want to see my garage? Do you? Do you really? Last chance. All right, here's my garage. This is why you should always put your seed away. So this is the fescue that I used last year. It's sitting over there. Over here, you can kind of tell by that right there. For some reason, water gets in from either underneath here or maybe underneath the board back there. I don't know, but water comes in here when we have really good rain. So that grass seed in that Seed Superstore bag got water in it. The seed has germinated. Look at that. Seed germinated. All throughout the bag. So I'm done, and I'm really feeling good now. Feeling like Now I'm ready to go start doing stuff outside. The garage is nice and clean. It's sort of like this nice clean slate to start the season with. At some point, I'm gonna actually do these floors, put some sort of texture down, paint. I don't really know. When we bought the house, the previous homeowner painted these floors, but like really quickly, within months, it started peeling off on the tires and all that kind of stuff. So I'd like to do something real nice with these floors. Well, that's a whole nother video for some other time, way down the line. But now that I have my fertilizers purchased, I know you saw it, I'm still a big fan of Milorganite. I know a lot of people have jumped off that bandwagon because of their supply issues last year and the prices went up and all this other stuff, but I do still love getting that. I know it's not technically organic anymore, but it's just a really good, I still consider it an organic fertilizer to put down on the lawn. So I'm still gonna use that stuff throughout the year, but so I'm ready to go ahead and get all that stuff and put it out there. But that's coming up here shortly. But anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, comment below. What do you do to start your official lawn season? I consider this part of the lawn season, getting the garage cleaned up, getting your tools all ready to go for the year. But what do you like to do? Do you clean the garage? Do you, just wash your lawnmower? What do you like to do? Let's talk about it down below. But anyway, I will see you all in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless. Hey, sweetie, what's in this box?